Ever wake up and find your skin feeling dry, dull, or just not looking its best? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with common skin issues, and they can take a toll on our confidence. Dry skin, for instance, can make us uncomfortable and itchy, while acne can leave us feeling self-conscious about our appearance. Wrinkles, the telltale signs of aging, can make us feel older than we are. And an uneven skin tone caused by factors such as sun damage or hormonal changes can make us feel less than our best. But remember, skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about taking care of your skin, the largest organ in your body, and nourishing it with what it needs to be healthy. So how can these problems be solved? Enter shea butter, a natural powerhouse for skin health. Shea butter, a fat extracted from the nut of the African shea tree, is a hidden gem in the world of skincare. Let's dive into the sea of benefits this wonder ingredient has to offer. First off, shea butter is a fantastic moisturizer. Rich in fatty acids and vitamins, it nourishes and conditions your skin like no other. It seeps into the deeper layers of your skin, keeping it hydrated, soft, and glowing. Next, shea butter stands as a strong soldier against inflammation. It contains luteol cinnamate, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So, if you're dealing with redness or swelling, shea butter could be your new best friend. Now, who wouldn't love to turn back the hands of time? Shea butter helps in this department too. Packed with antioxidants like vitamins A and E, it fights off free radicals, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like a fountain of youth in a jar. And lastly, let's talk about skin elasticity. Shea butter aids in the production of collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. By using shea butter, you're not just moisturizing your skin, you're also helping it stay supple and youthful. All these benefits make it clear that shea butter does more than just moisturize. It addresses a variety of common skin issues, making it a versatile and crucial component in your skincare routine. As you can see, shea butter is not just a moisturizer, it's a skin savior. Let's recap why shea butter should be your go-to for skin health. This natural powerhouse is packed with vitamins A and E, essential for maintaining your skin's vitality. It's an affordable solution that effectively tackles common problems like dryness, blemishes, and even wrinkles. Shea butter also promotes skin regeneration, making it a favorite for anti-aging routines. It's a skin savior, available right at your fingertips. Remember, great skin is always in. So why not give shea butter a try?